Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner isn't recognizing your face properly on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. So, in such case, let's set up a new face model on our device. To do so, go to Settings and on the sidebar select Security and Privacy. In Security and Privacy, go to Biometrics, Screen Lock and Biometrics, provide your password to access this menu, and now let's go to Face Recognition. And if you have some previously set up face model on this tablet, then of course remove it to begin. And before we proceed with adding the face model, a new one, make sure to wipe the surface of your frontal camera with a microfiber cloth if you have one. If you don't, you can use some dry towel. Just make sure that you can clearly see your face in the camera. For the same reason, adjust the lights in your room so that they face you and not your camera, and make sure that do not brighten your face way too much with the lights. And once you're ready, tap continue, then look directly at the camera and lift your head up, then tilt it up. Let's start registering the face. So now I can see my face in the camera. Let me lift my head, then tilt it, and then put it back into place. Okay, and before we proceed, since this feature didn't work properly the last time, let's check for software updates. In the respective menu on the sidebar, make sure that your device has internet connection. Click download and install to check for available updates. And if there are any updates available, then of course download and install them. Otherwise, let's just restart the tablet to make sure that the change is applied. So hold down the power button and volume down key at the same time until you see the power options, then select restart, confirm, and then let's wait until the tablet is restarted so that we can check how this face recognition feature works now. And once the tablet is restarted, we're gonna have to enter the password once. It's for the security measures, and now we can test the face recognition scanner by locking the tablet. And let's try to unlock it with a face. It worked for the first time. Let's try another one. Pretty smooth. Let's give it another try. And as you can see right now, it works perfectly, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.